In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make adjustments to your Shopify store. By the end of this guide, you'll be more comfortable navigating some key features of the Shopify platform, particularly when it comes to setting up themes and modifying content related to shipping. So let's dive into the process step by step. To start, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once that's done, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin by navigating to the My Store page. This is essentially your dashboard and central hub for managing your store. From here, we're going to move over to the Online Store link. Click this link, which will guide you to a broader set of options pertaining to your store's digital presence. The next step involves locating the drop-down box on the right side of your screen. Click on it and you'll see several options related to your store's themes. Themes are a crucial part of your online store as they dictate its look and feel. For our purpose today, you'll want to select the option to edit the default theme content. By doing so, you'll gain access to various customization options, allowing you to tailor the store to better fit your brand's identity and customer needs. Now, within the theme editor, you'll notice the search function. Click on it. The search box is a powerful tool within Shopify, especially when you are looking for specific content or settings. In this instance, you'll need to type in the term shipping. This will streamline the process by narrowing down the results to anything related to shipping that can be customized or altered. After typing in shipping, you might encounter a field or section named Calcula. This is a placeholder and in some cases might be an unnecessary addition to your configuration. Go ahead and delete Calcula. Doing so ensures that your shipping information is accurate and clear for your customers, as any vague or mistaken labels can potentially confuse site visitors or mislead them in their purchasing journey. Once cleared, click on the Calculating Shipping option. This is a vital feature because it automatically calculates and displays shipping costs for the customer during the checkout process, improving transparency and minimizing the likelihood of purchase interruptions due to unexpected costs. By clicking on it, you can manage how these calculations are displayed and possibly adjust the wording or format to better match your brand's tone and voice. And there you have it. With these steps, you've effectively navigated some key aspects of Shopify that can significantly enhance your store's functionality and customer experience. Maintaining your store's content and ensuring it is up to date will provide your customers with a seamless shopping experience, right from browsing to checkout. Thank you for following along and happy selling on Shopify.